everyone, my name is Sanya Mahajan. I am a legal intern in Lexis Company, and today's topic of mine is upon the capital punishment. In countries like US, many states have temporarily put an end to the punishment of the capital punishment, considering it is a harsh punishment or to take away the person's life. And even in India, there have been discussions upon the capital punishment to make an end to it. And given the moral complexities of and the depth to the emotions, the capital punishment is controversial debate on the global level. And here, and this now we are going to discuss about it. What is the basically the capital punishment means? The capital punishment is also known as the death penalty. It is an execution of an offense after he or she is convicted for some criminal. It has been derived from the Latin word capitalis, meaning head, and in simple context, it is an execution by beheading based upon the principle of the process of law, and it is interchangeable and with the punishment of the death penalty, which includes initiates that the penalty of the capital punishment may sometimes is used for the sense of life imprisonment too. And thus here is the positivity, and that is the advantages and the disadvantages of the capital punishment. Firstly, we are going to discuss about the advantages, which means it is to avoid or violate the crimes in the society, and the strong determination is required, and thus the goal of the law is to provide a deterrent against the crime. Thus, this deterrent could be a capital punishment, which is used in case of rarity and sets an example that if which is given to any person, he must not repeat the same consequences which he could be desire of. And there is a case of horrific crimes which is beyond the point of the inhabitation, and the capital punishment is not only creates the deserved punishment equivalent to the crime committed, but also provides safety for the rest of the society. And death penalty eliminates the chance of for these consequences of criminal actions, and it eliminates the possibility of illegal escape. There are some disadvantages related to it is that the capital punishment many a time do not show its effect on the rates of violent crime, and it equates the ironic but the states with the most executions which have been the highest murderer rates. And it is for this reason capital punishment seems ineffective for the motive it creates. And in a country like India, wherein many a cases justice seems to be an ideal type, which is hard to get, and there are many cases where the innocent people come in and within the clutch of the death penalty, though an exact number for such cases is impossible to check, and it is a fact which cannot be denied. The capital punishment simply takes away the right of the criminal who may prefer to get rehabilitated, and it eliminates such possibilities where the person who is not habitually offender and can seek a chance to rehabilitate, and it assumes that nothing can be done about an offender, and which is simply in a violation of his or her right. And this was all about the capital punishment, which is the death penalty, we can say it. And it is also basically to protect someone from from creating a same offense again and again, but it is an harsh punishment. So many debates are going on nowadays for this particular capital punishment. Guys, with this we come to know about the capital punishment, and if you need any information related to it, please do write in the comment section, and please do subscribe this channel.